Okay, kids, a little look into the future here. My next videos, or one of my next videos. So what we have here is we have this drill press, and it runs from a sewing machine, off of a sewing machine, that is. Look. And I made this when I was in college. I made it in Machine Shop 2. It's kind of neat. Look, goes up and down. This will lock, so the table moves not to quill. There's a stop, and then this adjusts also. And I just found this in the garage. I've been looking for it, so I'm going to get this thing going. I'm going to resurrect it. And then what I also found was, look at this disc sander. I made this in Machine 1. Now, I have to get a motor and put on it, but geez, I wonder where I'm going to find a motor at. I got 10,000 of those sitting around, so just a little teaser, I guess. So stay tuned. These are going to be some of the next projects coming soon. So as always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.